We recently had a call from a customer needing to pull out some old and quite heavy copper wire. But as you probably know, many of the old manholes and vaults around our country are quite dated and crumbling, which makes rigging nearly impossible. So with that in mind, our engineering team went to work and developed this underground puller with a self-supported boom with a 10,000-pound pulling capacity. So whether you have new construction, old tear-outs, or repairs, this machine will get the job done. And it also has an optional scrapping attachment to assist in the reclaiming and recycling of whatever substrate you're pulling. Give us a call today for more details on this piece of equipment that we believe will save you a lot of headache. We look forward to speaking with you about your upcoming pulling project. Join us at this year's Utility Expo in Louisville, Kentucky to see this piece of equipment in action.